There's another aspect to this compliance, especially when you're working in H-1B status. In order to get the H-1B petition approved, either the company or you as the company had to define a job and tell the government which of the government's standard occupations is this job most closely related to. I got a whole list of these things. And you say, hey, this is most closely related to software developers or to financial analysts or to management analysts or whatever it may be. What you are doing should match what the government expects somebody in that occupation to do. It's very important as your job evolves to make sure that you're thinking about, hey, what do we say I was going to be doing? Am I actually doing that? If now I've changed, if my responsibilities have increased, if I started out working as a software engineer, but now I'm doing much more of the mechanical engineering aspects of this robotics position or something like that, then that's important because a different job means potentially a different standard occupational classification, means potentially a different required salary. And the government would say that's a material change. That's a compliance issue because when an officer shows up at your work site and says, hey, what do you do? And they're not just going to ask you, they're going to ask other employees, other people who are working there, and potentially going to ask for proof. So you might need to show work product. And you look at this and say, hey, look, really, I'm doing this engineering manager work, but you said you were an electrical engineer. That could be an issue.